Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone. My name is Amatul Fadila. I will answer the question on page 35, part 12C. What do families look like in your country? In my country, most families are nuclear families, which means they only live with parents and children. Usually, both parents work and the children go to school from morning to afternoon or evening. Number second, do they stay at home with their children? Yes, both man's fathers go to work from morning to evening. Some even come home on a month or on a year because they are on leave. Number third, do you think that's good thing or a bad thing? I think that's good because the job of a father and husband is to earn a living for his family. Number 4. Is it important to you to spend time with your family? Very important because time with family is the most beautiful thing. We can exchange stories, share feelings, strengthen family relationship. Time with family is the most beautiful time. That's my response. Thanks for listening.